Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for our first Google Maps platform webinar of 2024. We're going to get into exciting features today on how AI is paving the way for Google Maps platform to help you improve your business efficiency and elevate your customer experiences. Before getting into the content, my name is Nick Demise, and I'm the Google Maps platform product manager. Steve Ike is also with me today, as he is an expert in helping retailers improve their businesses with Google Maps platform. We've both been at Google for several years now and have witnessed the evolution of our technology.
When the internet brought the world online, Google was there to connect people with each other, with the information they needed, and with brands and businesses around the world. And when the world moved to mobile, we made it possible for businesses to immediately reach people in their I want to go, I want to do, and I want to buy moments. With today's pace of technical innovation, it's no surprise that we again find ourselves in the midst of another transformative wave bringing on a revolution: AI. 7 years ago, we announced that Google would be an AI-first company, and we're proud of the contributions we've made to date. Despite an ever-changing world, success drivers in retail have been relatively consistent. The traditional retail value chain and many of its key levers, for example, solid supply chain, competitive pricing, consumer experience, effective marketing, are still at the core of a delightful shopping experience. Our teams have been leveling up on what success drivers look like and are excited to bring forth ways AI can impact retail. What has changed are the AI capabilities to deliver exceptional value and performance across virtually every aspect of a robust retail value chain, allowing for each of those levers to be planned, forecasted, and optimized in a way that is only possible with the power of advanced AI solutions. Google provides the infrastructure and platforms to bring the best of AI to all aspects of the retail experience, both customer-facing and non-customer-facing. AI is a critical tool in staying afloat competitively, and as our world becomes more savvy, AI provides a way for us to differentiate and sharpen our businesses within the market. Today's webinar will kick off with a new use case demonstrating how Discovery AI and Google Maps platform can help personalize and simplify your customers' omni-channel shopping experience. We will then highlight other innovative geospatial solutions for retailers. Thank you for being here. Now, before diving into the agenda, we wanted to showcase several of our key customers currently leveraging Google Maps platform to drive their business goals.
Here's a snapshot of what we will be covering today. Discovery AI, a Google Cloud solution, Product Locator, address validation, and finally, our mobility services. We'll start off with Discovery AI for retail. This is our way of providing retailers like you with Google quality search and recommendations to enhance your user engagement, deliver personalized experiences, and drive improved conversions. Here's a concept video of a use case utilizing Discovery AI and Google Maps platform. Discovery AI isn't the only way to uplevel your omnichannel impact. More than half of consumers say they check if an item is in stock online before going to an actual store. The retail landscape has changed in that consumers are depending on a product's online presence to decide the right time and place to purchase a product. It's more important than ever to adapt to these demand fluctuations in real time.
Now that we've explored how Discovery AI and Google Maps platform can work together, let's dive into other impactful solutions for retail.
This is where our product locator comes into play. This solution is how Google Maps platform is helping retailers modernize the online experience for their customers. As the name implies, Product Locator allows customers to not only find products, but also learn about pickup and delivery options. Vertex AI from Google Cloud can also be embedded into Product Locator to transform a generic search term into a user location or product interest category. AI also takes the location and user interests into account to serve a personalized experience. Our next product is address validation, which builds on Google Maps' extensive history in providing mapping data services to the world's biggest businesses in the forms of popular APIs like geocoding and autocomplete. Google's Address Validation API is a tool that helps businesses verify and standardize their customers' addresses. This can be incredibly useful for retailers as accurate address data leads to improvements in delivery success rates, streamlining of order fulfillment, enhancements to customer experience, and reductions in fraud.
Advancements in our machine learning technology, combined with billions of Street View images from around the world, enable us to automate the extraction of information from those images and keep data like street names, addresses, and business names up to date.
Address validation adds a range of powerful new capabilities to our platform. First, address validation helps componentize an address, identifying the various components of an unstructured address. Next, it fixes common errors like misspelled street names and infers missing data. Then it validates the address input as an existing address, and we do this based on a variety of data sources, including postal services. And then finally, it augments the address with additional data, such as the geocode and local postal code data. Here's how Address Validation API and complementary Google Maps platform services can be utilized to power a checkout flow. The first step is having the user provide an address. We recommend our autocomplete API to streamline the experience for users. Then you take the user's address and input that into address validation. It can take structured or unstructured data and will cleanse, normalize, infer, and validate the data, and provide you with a variety of signals to determine if the address is correct. If there are significant changes to the address, we recommend having the user revalidate the corrected input. You can then use the address to provide further visual confirmation of the location to the user. And then for the post-checkout experience, this validated address and location information helps ensure billing and delivery are able to be successful. The last capabilities we'll be quickly touching on are our mobility services. Mobility services focus on empowering the movement of people, goods, and services with improved efficiency and predictability.
With AI, we're able to map roads over 10 times faster than we could 5 years ago, and we can bring maps filled with useful information to virtually every corner of the world. Using AI, we've mapped more than 1 billion buildings globally.
We've invested on top of our standard maps, routes, and places products in an ever-growing array of capabilities for industries such as on-demand rides and deliveries, last-mile logistics, and much more. For retailers focused on standing up their own delivery operations, the mobility services can provide the backbone for those applications. The mobility services offer 5 primary capabilities to help you elevate your last mile execution at every step. For the e-commerce checkout experience, they include access to products like the Address Validation API that I just covered. And various routing APIs enable the optimization of delivery allocation to your drivers. And for delivery allocation, our navigation SDK provides drivers with turn-by-turn navigation, while task tracking capabilities allow customers as well as operations and support teams to have real-time visibility into delivery plans. And finally, the data from the mobility solutions can be used to gain insight into your fleet performance. We won't go into the details of all the mobility products on this webinar, but they are being used today by a variety of retailers globally to provide increased delivery and transparency and more efficient deliveries.
One example we would like to highlight today is how our mobility services have helped power Domino's Pinpoint delivery solution. This past July, Domino's launched this new order and delivery option to its North American customers. The vision for Domino's Pinpoint delivery was to put even more convenience and control into the hands of its consumers, allowing Domino's to be available wherever its customers were. With Domino's Pinpoint delivery, customers simply drop a pin on a map within the Domino's app, and whether it's at the park, the beach, a concert venue, or even a new residential development still under construction, Domino's will deliver to that location. Pinpoint delivery also provides customers with real-time order tracking directly within the Domino's app, ensuring arrival predictability and a positive user experience. In addition, a major requirement for Pinpoint delivery was driver safety, concerned that delivery drivers might have to stop at unsafe or inconvenient handoff points. However, our mobility services help identify optimal locations for the driver to drop off the order without compromising the customer or driver experience. It's exciting to see customers like Domino's innovating and taking advantage of these new capabilities to strengthen the customer experience.
We're definitely way more on the go than we were just a few years ago. We're traveling and doing all kinds of things, and getting food while you're on the go is hard. Domino's has definitely been a leader in innovation for a very long time. So from car toppers so that you could see the logo of the brand as we arrive for delivery, to building out the first autonomous vehicle for food delivery in partnership with Ford. There have just been so many big and small innovations that this organization has been a part of and really have propelled the overall food industry.
Pinpoint delivery was another opportunity for us at Domino's to showcase our obsession with being first-class, world-class delivery experts, and we really wanted to elevate the game.
The experience of piloting Pinpoint delivery was a lot of fun. This is where I got to really test out the technology when we were in the proof of concept to making sure that we were delivering a product that was awesome for our customers and met their needs, but not just our pizza-eating customers, our delivery experts as well.
Pinpoint delivery is a seamless customer experience that customers can go into the Domino's ordering app and drop a pin wherever they are and have pizza delivered to that location. Whether you're at a park, a beach, doesn't matter where you're located, we'll deliver a pizza there.
In 2018, we launched what we called hotspots, which was the first time where you could get pizza delivered to different locations that weren't a physical address. We were able to curate and create these addresses or locations, points of interest throughout a city where a customer could meet a Domino's delivery driver for that order. That was amazing, and it opened up the ability to get pizza on the go in a new way. But it was a little constraining because it was completely manual. We really would love to have had an option for food to be delivered to just about anywhere, but that did not exist from a technology standpoint. With Pinpoint, our goal was to make that more dynamic and being able for the customer to tell us where they were and we go to where they're located. And so when we learned of the new enhancements of the mapping services and specifically ride-share through Google Maps platform, it was the perfect time for us to build on the innovation of hotspots.
It's just like ordering a normal traditional delivery, except the best part is you don't have to type in an address. You literally just drop a pin and then you can create your order. They'll be able to see within the app a map that shows exactly where the driver is located and give you an ETA on how far they are away from their delivery. Google Maps platform is really the glue that holds together the customer experience and the driver experience.
The partnership between Domino's and Google really has been tremendous. It was really the right moment for innovation, not only between Domino's, but also for Google, that required technology teams and marketing teams to really come together and ensure that we were designing the best customer experience possible.
At Domino's, one of our sayings is sell more pizza, have more fun. And this project has been just such a fun and exciting project and a very rewarding one that unlocks what we call the power of possible. And, who would have thought that you could drop a pin and have a pizza come to just about anywhere? We did.
We appreciate your time today as we walked through Discovery AI, Product Locator, address validation, and mobility. We can't wait to see what you build. We also look forward to seeing you at future webinars.